In 1605, a group of men made a plan to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London with the king inside. The plan became known as the Gunpowder Plot, and the leader of this group was called Guy Fawkes. They put 36 barrels of gunpowder in the Houses of Parliament and waited for the king to arrive. The police found the gunpowder before it exploded and caught the group. To celebrate his survival, King James ordered the people of England to have a bonfire on the night of the 5th of November. On the 5th of November, people remember the Gunpowder Plot by celebrating Bonfire Night. All over Britain, there are firework displays and bonfires with models of Guy Fawkes, which are burned on the fire. The fireworks are a reminder of the gunpowder that Guy Fawkes hid in the cellar of Parliament. Traditional bonfire night food is hot-baked potatoes. They are cooked on the bonfire and filled with butter and cheese. There are also toffee apples, and in the north of England they eat a special type of cake called parkin. Toasting marshmallows on the bonfire is also popular.
You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta